A contract between a vehicle owner and an insurance company is known as car insurance. With the same idea, we also use the terms vehicle insurance, motor insurance, and car insurance. If the car is stolen, the insurer protects the owner from financial loss. In the event of an accident, it also protects against both financial loss and bodily injury. Motor insurance is a sort of policy that financially protects your car from potential threats. The policyholder's car or two-wheeler is protected financially in the event of an accident or other hazard. If another car is damaged or a third person is physically wounded, the insured is also protected from culpability. The insured here refers to the person who purchases an insurance coverage. I am the insured if I have an auto insurance coverage. Other sorts of damage or loss are also covered by car insurance. For example, if a catastrophic weather event, such as a storm or flood, occurs, the insurance provider will cover any damage or loss. The majority of policies also cover damage caused by vandalism. On the other hand, in the event of an accident or theft, auto insurance is a contract between you and the insurance company that protects you financially. The insurance provider promises to pay your losses as stipulated in your policy in exchange for you paying a premium. What are your thoughts on whether or not automobile insurance is required? The basics of auto insurance. Once more, in the event of an accident or theft, auto insurance is a contract between you and the insurance company that protects you financially. The insurance provider promises to pay your losses as stipulated in your policy in exchange for you paying a premium. The following items are covered by auto insurance. Property, for example, if your car is damaged or stolen. Liability, your legal obligation to others in the event of bodily harm or property damage. Medical, the cost of medical treatment, rehabilitation, and, in some cases, lost wages and burial costs. Policies are usually given for 6 months or a year, and they can be renewed. When it's time to renew your coverage and pay your payment, the insurance company will notify you. Let's have a look at, is car insurance compulsory? In most countries, driving an automobile on a public road without insurance is illegal. Car owners in the United Kingdom are required by law to carry third-party and personal injury insurance. This implies that if you collide with another vehicle, you will be covered for any damage to that vehicle as well as personal injuries to drivers, passengers, and pedestrians. In the United States, the type of insurance you require differs from state to state. What is importance of motor insurance? A car has now surpassed the status of a luxury item. When traveling long distances, most individuals prefer to travel in their vehicles since they are more convenient and comfortable than other modes of transportation. When purchasing an automobile, it is equally vital to purchase a motor insurance coverage. Purchasing a suitable coverage has become an all-encompassing duty for people all over the world, as automobile insurance is now required in the majority of countries. Many customers say it is a waste of money because of today's high premium rates. However, in the long term, a motor insurance policy becomes a very important and useful investment. Motor insurance is becoming a must for everyone who owns a car, regardless of how good of a driver they are. Accidents may happen to anyone, and having a car insurance coverage can help keep you and your vehicle safe. Many insurance companies not only purchase insurance for automobile theft and damage, but also include medical coverage in their policies. As a result, if something happens to you while driving your automobile, your insurance coverage will cover all of your expenses. Third-party liability is now an added benefit of automobile insurance. Anyone who is harmed as a result of any type of accident he is involved in may be covered by your insurance policy as a result of this advantage. The best appropriate vehicle insurance coverage that is accessible for you will assist you in making that decision based on your specific wants and requirements. Because of the wide insurance industry, there are many rivals in today's market, and many insurance companies provide you with tailored insurance products. If more than one person in your family drives a car, make sure your insurance coverage covers them all. Burglary and theft, natural catastrophes, riots and malicious acts, fire and explosions, and other events are all covered by the finest motor insurance policy. A number of car insurance policies have a provision known as the no-claim bonus, which applies when you haven't made an insurance claim in a long time, and the vehicle insurance provider will give you a discount on your premium rates in this scenario. A car insurance coverage should be as large as your wallet without putting a strain on your finances. Your insurance policy will be effective for your vehicle and situation if you have the right quantity of insurance coverage and exclusions. Even if you want to get a motor insurance coverage for your child's automobile, it's a good idea to do so in your own name because younger drivers have higher insurance rates. Many insurance companies offer loyalty discounts, so if you've previously purchased another insurance policy from them, you may be eligible for a discount on your car insurance cost. Let's try to understand the types of auto insurance policies. Motor insurance is a form of policy that financially protects your car against potential threats. The policyholder's car or two-wheeler is covered financially in the event of an accident or other hazard. Drivers, passengers, pedestrians, and vehicles are all protected by different types of motor/car insurance coverage. A car owner can select from a variety of insurance policies. Let's have a look at some of the most popular types. Medical payments coverage. The owner, passengers, and anybody else who drives the vehicle, such as family members, are covered by the insurance. Some plans may also cover costs incurred as a result of personal injuries. Personal injury protection, PIP. Personal injury protection covers medical bills incurred as a result of an accident. Most insurance also cover things like daycare and lost wages. Before committing to a personal injury policy, read the fine print. Personal injury cases are frequently complicated. Liability coverage. This includes culpability for both personal injury and property damage. Uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage. This protects you if the other driver is at fault and either does not have insurance or has inadequate coverage. Collision coverage. If you collide with another vehicle, your insurance will cover the cost of the other vehicle's repairs or replacement. This coverage will also cover you if you collide with something like a storefront, a gate, or a fence. Your deductible is deducted from the total amount paid by the insurance company. Comprehensive car insurance policy. This is the most far-reaching policy, as the name implies. Most comprehensive insurance policies include a deductible, which is the amount paid out of pocket by the insured before the insurer takes over. In the United States, if my accident repair bill is $5,000 and my deductible is $300, the insurer pays $4,700, and I pay $300. You get third-party liability coverage as well as own damage coverage with comprehensive car insurance. It provides comprehensive, end-to-end protection for you and your vehicle. As the name implies, the major aspect of this insurance is that it covers car theft as well as damage caused by a variety of factors. If your automobile is stolen while you have this coverage, you can rest easy knowing that it will be covered. Vandalism, fire damage, floods, damage from natural calamities such as tornadoes and windstorms, glass breakage, damage from falling objects, and so on are all covered by comprehensive insurance. Add-on covers like as personal accident, electrical appliances, zero depreciation, and more can be added to your policy to increase your protection. Third-party car insurance policy. A third-party insurance policy is required. You'll be driving your automobile illegally on the road if you don't have it, and you'll face a fee or penalty. This policy protects you against legal liability if your car or vehicle causes damage to a third party. Third-party insurance, in simple terms, covers injury or death to a third party caused by your car, as well as property damage. One feature of the cover that I like is this. The claimant is not required to show the negligence of the driver who caused the accident under the Motor Vehicles Act. Third-party insurance, as the name implies, solely covers third-party liability. It does not cover theft or damage to your vehicle. The premium is also cheap, given the nature of the policy. Own damage car insurance policy. An own damage car insurance coverage protects you against damage to your vehicle caused by events such as fire, theft, and other unforeseen circumstances. In the event of a collision, an own damage policy reimburses you for the cost of repairing or replacing damaged pieces of your vehicle. This coverage pays for damages to your car caused by natural disasters such as floods, earthquakes, fires, and more, as well as man-made disasters such as vandalism, riots, and terrorist attacks. In the event of an accident, your automobile or its contents will be damaged. Theft or nefarious deeds are two examples. Thank you for joining us. Hope you will have a beautiful day.